All right. I think everyone should be able to hear me now. Check the YouTube chat. Gonna give everyone a couple minutes to get in. So far, we already have 17 viewers. What's good? What's good, everyone? It's been quite the week, huh? Finally back at my normal setup. Ready to kill it. Ready to crush it in the signal room this week. Gonna go absolutely crazy, James and I. That room is about to go nuts. Do I trade market opening? No, I don't really trade like the opening. What's good? What's good, everyone? I'm gonna give it just a couple more minutes and then we're gonna get started. All right, so we're gonna get started here. What's up, everyone? Ollie Trades here, and this is the Forex Weekly Outlook. As you guys know, I do these every single Sunday, and so there's two ways that I'm gonna be doing it this time. I'm gonna put kind of my swing approach into it, but also we're gonna look into a little more intraday scalps setups that could potentially form this week. So here on the daily on UJ, I'm gonna make these my swings. Let's make the swing zones purple. These are the areas where I feel like price could give us like a very, higher time frame, nice move. So you guys can see here we have a break of structure, right? Clear break of structure. Even, we create this, keep making these highs, higher low, higher high, and then we just create this nice lower low over here. Going down, what I want to highlight is the hour time frame here. So this is definitely its own beast of structure. And now that we're on the hour, I'm going to be focusing on blue candlesticks. It's honestly a kind of hybrid approach. Haven't really done this before, but it's kind of how I end up trading throughout the week. And you guys can see very clearly here, the hour one breaks that. Yeah, ends up breaking that right there. Misses right there. And then barely misses again. Okay, that's honestly not the best. If I want to take buys, I would love to see something like these two get swept. Just the liquidity resting right there, and then price pushing into there and looking to give us something nicer. But if we look at the hour four, even then I can't really pinpoint something clear on this one. I feel like UJ truly is just a no-go so far for me. Yeah, UJ just kind of beats me, man. Like, I can't even lie. So let's uncheck all of these pairs and then recheck them in a sec as to what we see this week. So as you guys know, on this live stream, if you guys are watching this on live stream, it will be uploaded to the Pip and Dip channel as well. But on the live stream, all you have to do is like this video and comment in the chat, and you have a chance at winning a funded account. So we have 60 viewers right now. All I need are 50 likes, and I'll end up giving away a challenge at the end of it. There we go. We look at the daily on USDCHF, which you guys can see is pretty interesting. Nothing too solid. Like the structure, I don't believe is playing out that, nicely on here. Obviously, we swept down there on the daily. If we look at the hour one, kind of looks like price is maneuvering in this area here. You can even see today, like, gives us a quick spike down. Looks to be moving up. Price, I believe, creates an equal low over here. So you can see price it consolidates over here, pushes up, pushes kind of new lows, lower low, lower high, lower low, and creates this big higher high, higher low, higher high, kind of consolidates, higher high, breaks that, and just creates an equal low there. Not really too clean to me. I'm gonna go ahead and read these first two pairs, and then go back to the daily. I don't know why people think they can just call me on Telegram like I'm in the middle of a live. But here we go. This one is honestly, this does look kind of appealing. USD CAD. Looking at this zone right here. Price gave a big pullback on the daily just to break structure towards the downside, which I do really like. If you look left, we are kind of playing off of this order block over here. But with the right confirmations up here, I don't see why we wouldn't get sells. So that's going to go definitely in the blue list. Let's look at the hour one and see how things there are moving. So I believe, honestly, if I'm looking to take sells, I'm not really going to do it right when we enter the daily point of interest. I'm probably going to want to do it from all the way up here where the hour one point of interest is. So now, keeping this in mind, I can look to take little intraday moves to the upside to get there. Let's make sure we have no alerts set. Yeah, we already deleted those. Add alert. Hour one alert right there. So it's all about finding the right areas. So something I like to do is watch how Asian session plays and come to the charts around London, because that's usually when I find most of my entries when I'm taking these intraday moves. Yeah, I don't know why this person keeps calling me. Let me go ahead and block them real quick. Alright, anyways, here we go, back to the zoom. I like to make this purple. As you guys know, this is the Asian range Nikko 948D indicator. Just essentially shows me where the highs and lows of Asia session are, so I can keep track of where, what price is doing there. So what I'm seeing is price could honestly pull up here and just create something of nicer nature, I guess, for us to take. But I want to take something up here. If I was crazy and didn't care about risk to reward, I would take something like this. But I definitely do care about my risk to rewards. That's not something I will be taking. But yeah, I definitely want to see price pull back into this area here and then look to give me some sort of short setup. Next we have GU. GU on the daily kind of creates this push down, pulls back, and pushes us lower. If you look at the hour, it does leave like some big gaps over here. It creates an order block up here, which I think price will eventually buy back into. I mean, we just need to take time. But on the daily, I want to see a break of structure under here, or I want to see some sort of, this honestly, I would want to see a break of structure and then a pullback and lower time frame confirmation there. But I do feel like GU could give us some sort of good setup like throughout London or something, like an intraday. Maybe we range down here, tap into this order block here, give confirmation, take this higher up. Things like that I could definitely see happening. Or, we keep rejecting here. There's a chance that we could be taking this short and taking this to these lows. But once again, I don't really trade like impulsively like that. It just has to be a very, very enticing setup for me. So here you guys can see GBP JPY. finally had broken structure on the daily. Creates this massive wick towards the upside. Here 214 pips, and then it's just kind of making its way back up. What I would want to see is shorts from this blue area here. But I could honestly really see it ripping through and just continuing bullish. So maybe if we find a way to just form a good bullish setup, then I wouldn't mind taking that. Like even if price holds this area, breaks above here solidly, maybe we could take something like that. But these are just ideas. You guys know I like to take it from the daily, refine all the way down to a minute one order block. Here we have price breaks above. Would have needed a closure under this on GA. If we go on a lower time frame, we do have a very, very clean close right there. And let's just mark this up for like a lower time frame scalp. Not scalp, lower risk trade. Something from up here. This one, GBP CHF. I mean, bro, it's been holding this level forever. It does kind of look like it could be good buys from there. Maybe if we pull back down here, take buys from this area. But I mean, just look how strong like this area has been holding. It's no coincidence that on the daily, it's just kind of like holding here. Obviously, banks don't want it to push lower than this. Go GBP CAD. We have really no breaks of structure on the daily, which I'm not really a fan of. But it looks like price might just trend bullishly again. Kind of have like a fake break of structure towards the downside, and then it flips, reverses, and keeps going up. This one, for the life of me, I don't even want to look at. It's going to put that in the red list. Red list. And now we have EU, which I actually had marked up from this OB that it played right here. I remember this to end last week. We had seen that. So what I do want to see on EU is a pullback into this area and then being able to take it long to fill in this news gap. Because I do believe that ECB is, I mean, I listened to the press conference. I'm going to listen to it again, but if I recall correctly, like they still keep planning on hiking rates and stuff. So I still, you know, they just sounded very hawkish to me, but I need to replay that. And if I'm correct, I'd be looking to take buys. And so I think the markets might price in a little pullback here and then come to fill in this gap again and clear this liquidity out. Here we're on Euro JPY. So again, I kind of have like a bullish outlook on this. Which is why I would like to see, like I want to see something form where essentially we have Asian range, maybe clear out these lows and then break towards the upside. And then look to take it higher from there. Look at Euro GBP. Close enough to break on the day, or actually, and this break under, break above, break above, break under, break above. Yeah, so now we're in this order block on the daily. Looks like it's wicking above. I would love to see it sweep these, come down into this area, and then give us a long setup to take this. Love to see it go like this. That's on Euro GBP. Here we have Euro Australian dollar, which you guys can see punched in that lower leg, which I really did like. And give us that break of structure. If you look at the hour 4 OB, that's resting all the way up here. So that's what we're going to be waiting on to get hit. Till then, I mean, I do see this getting cleared. None of these candles have like even traded remotely below each other. So kind of curious to see if you took an aggressive trade like this, how would it play out? Something like that. But yeah. Here we have Euro CAD, which you guys can see price was making its way up, and then we broke structure towards the downside. Looks like we're gonna pull up to at least here, but I feel like this has still a very decent chance of getting ran through and wanting to pull back into this area here. Which I think would be like a very nice move. See, we swept all those wicks. Kind of respected that demand. Could be going long. Clearing that out. And taking this up here, potentially. Just another idea. And sorry, I'm just getting a ton of messages right now. And make sure you guys like this stream. We have 24 likes. We need 26 more. If we get those 26 more likes, I will be giving away a 25K challenge on stream at the end of this. So yeah, I mean, you guys definitely don't want to miss out on that. So we had this, which I kind of do like. Here you have NZD, Euro NZD. Looking at it on the daily. This one had such an amazing setup up here. You guys can see played onto one of these OBs, like to an absolute T. So you can see that, and then just it gave us the entry over there. Something this trade I honestly wasn't focused or something. I wasn't ready for it. But yeah, you guys best believe if it pulls back up into this area, I am all hands on. I'm taking this trade. So the Euro pairs I really like. I think the Euro pairs are going to go bullish this week. I really do like the setups on them, honestly. Here we have NZD CHF, which has just been kind of like breaking lower and lower, which I don't like. I mean, we had this great move we took to the upside from here to here. I missed this TP, and then I eventually got stopped out on this move. But it's not really doing anything that I find like worthwhile or worth entertaining. And the most it's done is respect this order block on the hour. And even then, I'm just like not really a fan of it. Looks good on the minute 30 though. We just broke structure there. So potentially if we pull back into this area, I could look for buys. But once again, like not trying to force anything, not trying to rush anything. Just going to do my own thing. We're on the daily on NZD USD. Price over here breaks very highly above, and it looks like it's making its way back down to this level here, which I would love to see. And then, as you guys know, the setup I like to see is something like this. And I take that to that level there. Here we have NZD JPY, break structure below. As you guys know, I do have a very bullish outlook on the JPY pairs for this week. Just as, you know, with everything that's going, or anything that ends in JPY, I think it's going to be bullish. So we can look for buys on NZD JPY. Here we have NZD CAD, something I've been wanting to take for a while. I'm just waiting for price to pull back into this area, and then I'll be looking to take it long. If I get the right setup, I'd be looking to take a trade like this. Here we have the odd pairs. Price broke there, gave a great confirmation for a sell there. Loki missed out on it. And now we're just waiting to see price continue structure first. Something like this. I want to see it break that. Potentially even give me the buys from down here. I feel like we could see that this week, honestly. And we have odd JPY. This is something I would wait for structure to build and try to get a bullish entry on. here we have, and by the way, guys, this is not financial advice. This is just, just based on things I see. These are my thoughts behind it. This is not financial advice though. And guys, we have 29 likes. At 50 likes, I'll do a giveaway. If we don't get 50 likes, there's no giveaway. As simple as that. Here you have Australian dollar to Canadian dollar. And it looks, honestly, like we're approaching this great buying OB on the daily, which I really, really like. So I would love to see this kind of just trend down a little bit more until we at least get to this H4 OB. I think that we could have some great buys on AutoCAD with the right confirmation. This is definitely one that I want to look out for this week. Good stuff, guys. We're at 36 likes. Only need 14 more. Here we go. We have this selling OB up here. Price does its thing. Honestly, this kind of just looks like it's in the middle of nowhere. I'm going to stay away from this for now. Odd CHF, going to stay away from that. CHF JPY. It's kind of the same thing. I mean, we did break structure, so what I would like to see is potentially some sort of confirmations in this area here. So I'll keep an eye out when market reaches that level there. Otherwise, not really something I'm looking forward to. CAD CHF. Now look towards this CAD JPY. Probably going to look for longs or some sort of shorts from up here. And yeah, that's about it for the outlooks. I'm going to give about 3 more minutes to get these likes on YouTube. And I'm going to end the YouTube video here, obviously, because the stream giveaway doesn't have to be done on YouTube. And you guys don't want this to go on any longer. I do these every single Sunday, guys, 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. If you guys like this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, I'm going to give about 3 more minutes for the likes on the Fortunes YouTube. If not, I'm truly just going to hop off. We need 10 likes. 10 likes for that, and yeah. All right, guys. Honestly, it looks like we didn't get the likes. So it sucks. I mean, 43 likes. You guys are 7 short. I'll give it 3 minutes. Get your friends to like this thing up. So 43 likes, 44 likes now. You guys need 6 likes. 5 more left. Three likes, 2 minutes left. I'm seeing 2 more needed. All right. You guys actually did it. I didn't think you guys were going to get it this week. Good stuff. So all you guys have to do is, I'm thinking of a number between 50 and 100 What number is it? All right, hold on. I low-key lost my number. I'm gonna write this down so you guys know I don't bullshit you. New number. For sure. I've got my number. Go, guys, go. Starting now. All right, so everything after the fortunes message is where it starts. There it is. Somebody said it. Somebody, Govind Malhorta. It was 79. So what I need you to do is message at PippinDipFX on Instagram and just send me, proof that it's you. Send me your full name and your email, and we'll get that account to you. Govind what is it? It was Govind M. It was 79. That was the number that I was thinking of. So you guys can see it was written on this piece of paper. So yeah, DM me, bro. All right, I will see you guys in the next Zoom. We have like 6 different traders all live streaming this week, so plenty of chances to win a funding challenge. Every single stream we do, we have stuff being given away. I'll see you guys. Boy, let me put on some bents. Shit, I forgot to end this thing, huh? Oh, yeah, there it is. That's fucking hilarious.